What's up YouTube, it's your boy James back with another video, and today I have an early in-hand review and an on-feet for the Air Jordan 12 Royalty that's scheduled to be dropping on November 13th. I would like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers, and I just want to take a quick second out just to thank all of you who always support me every time I drop a video. We just recently hit 2,500 subscribers, and I could not have gotten this far without your support, so thank you very, very much. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is James and I make sneaker content. And if you all could do me a big favor and please hit that like button for your boy, I would really appreciate it because it helps to put my videos out in front of more people and helps my channel to grow. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed and you like sneaker content, you can stick around by hitting that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss anything. So right here I have the Air Jordan 12 Royalty that's scheduled to be dropping on November 13th. And I picked these up from GOAT, and the price on these were not bad. I'm actually kind of shocked that they were as cheap as they were in order to pick them up early. Now, I know that these probably released over in the UK and other parts of the world, so that's probably why the prices were a little bit low. But we're going to start off by unboxing these sneakers. And the first thing that we're going to look at is the box. Now, this is just your normal standard Air Jordan 12 box that you would get on most GRs or pretty much any Jordan 12 that comes out. And there you go. Just give you guys a quick look at the box. Now, on the size tag, it reads Air Jordan 12 Retro, white, metallic gold, black, and this is a personal pair, size 8. And give you guys a quick up-close look at the size tag. Now, as soon as you open up the box, you got that brown paper right here. And let's take our first up-close look at the Air Jordan 12 Royalty. BAM! So my first impression of these sneakers right out of the box is this is a pretty dope sneaker in my opinion. Right now, you know, there's not a whole lot of hype behind these, but I'm going to tell you what, this is a very nice sneaker. Now, these are very similar to the Taxis that released in 2013. These are a little bit different though, but the colorway is pretty much the same. You didn't get the gold Jumpman right here on the Taxis, but the colorway as far as like the black and the white is very similar to the Taxis. I don't know if they're ever gonna retro those Taxis the same way. This is probably the closest thing that we're gonna be getting for quite a while. I just don't think that they're ever gonna be retroing those Taxis anytime soon, but this is a very nice close consolation prize. You know, if you're into the Taxis, maybe you weren't able to pick up the Taxis in 2013 like me, getting this sneaker right here is probably a must cop for you. So I'm going to start off by giving you guys a 360 look at this sneaker so you can get the full effect of what this sneaker really looks like if you decide to pick these up. But I mean, right out of the box, I mean, this is a very clean shoe. Now, as far as the materials go in the sneaker, it's not bad at all. I mean, you do get this white leather up here at the mid and the upper, around the whole entire sneaker where it's white. It's not the greatest leather or anything like that, but it's basically like any other Air Jordan 12 leather that comes out. Now at the top of the sneaker, you're going to get these gold eyelets right here. You get 2 on each side of the sneaker, and they do have this metallic look, but they are plastic. And then on the front toe box right here, you can kind of see, you know, it's a little bit soft. It's a little bit softer than most Jordan 12s. These are normally really hard, and this does have some give to it. On the back of the sneaker right here, this is my favorite part of the Air Jordan 12. So you get quality inspired by the greatest basketball player ever. So you see what the back of the sneaker looks like. That's fire in my opinion. Now on the bottom of the sneaker, right here at the toe, you're gonna get the Jordan Jumpman with the 23 in white. And then you're gonna get 2 traction pods at the front and 1 at the back. And then in the center, you're gonna get that carbon fiber plate. Now, one thing that really stands out to me, and I think is a very nice touch, is the sock liner. So it is a black sock liner, but it's like a quilted material. And then inside of it, you're gonna get a black insole with the gold Jumpman. Now on the left sneaker, you're gonna get an extra set of laces. Now it comes already laced up with the black, and that looks really good in my opinion, but I believe that the Taxis actually had white laces, so if you wanna get more of that Taxi look, you could definitely swap these out. I don't think you can go wrong either way with the black or the white. And one other thing that I just wanna point out that I think looks really good on these sneakers is the tongue. So you're gonna get a white leather tongue, and all the lettering is gonna be in that gold with the Jumpman at the top of the tongue. I just think it looks really good. Now, this is more of like a DMP colorway than it is the Taxis, but in my opinion, it's very close. If this is something that you want to get in your collection, I think you will like the sneaker a lot. It looks so much better in hand than it does like on screen or anything like that. Now these are scheduled to be dropping on November 13th, but everything's been getting pushed back, so I don't know if these will actually release on November 13th, or maybe they'll get pushed back to December, which is already filled with all kinds of heat. I don't really know for sure. These already dropped over in other parts of the world, so, fingers crossed that this release actually still happens. Is this a sneaker that I think that I need to double up on? Probably not. I think it's going to be a very nice sneaker to add in your collection if this is something that probably even remotely slightly interests you in any way. Now, as far as sizing goes, I recommend going true to size, so whatever size you would typically normally wear in an Air Jordan 12 silhouette, that's what you're going to want to pick up with this sneaker right here. I always pick up a size 8, they fit me perfectly, so definitely go true to size. But I want to know what you think about the Air Jordan 12 royalty. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Are these dope or are these trash? Let me know down in the comment section below if this is a sneaker that you're going to be going after when it releases. Before we get into the on-feet portion of the video, I just want to thank each and every single one of you guys for your time. Thank you so much for the support. I really, really appreciate you guys. Enjoy the on-feet portion of the video, guys. I'm out. Peace.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Look at my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Look at my posters, say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah. Heard them lasers talking now and we don't pay that no mind. Didn't need to watch them know that I'll be here in no time. Put a candle on it, had to tell them they could blow mine. Lights, camera, action, it shows. I'm smoking that dope from Edmond. We the new meth in Redmond. We ain't real blood but we brethrens. Run up a check and it's pending. She talking my news, we'll send them. The fam, you a dead man. Jesus peace on my pendant. And we still independent. ISO, yeah we trending. Watch what you say, don't offend them. They keepin' it real, they commend them. People like get your wife pregnant, but I ain't tryna be dependent. I need money never ending. I'm talking 100%. I need the owner, you rent it. Whoa, step in the spotty and watch how they panic. Yeah, we the duo, you know we dynamic. When we outside, we be stopping the traffic. Breaking their necks, them they upset. How them boys doing more when they got less? How they on this and how they on that? How they got this and yeah, how they got that? Too busy watching us, they need to stop that. Talking my shit, you know we gon' pop that. See it, I like it, yeah, I'm gon' cop that. When we on top, how you gon' top that? Nah, you ain't got nothing on us. I'm steady calling your bluff. Pass me the split, need me a puff. You don't want smoke, tell them that's tough. Yeah, yeah. Heard them lasers talking now and we don't pay that no mind. Didn't need to watch them know that I'll be here in no time. Put a candle on it, had to tell them they could blow mine. Lights, camera, action, it shows. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Look at my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Look at my posters, say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah.